10.0.3.0 and 10.0.4.0, 10.0.5.0, 10.0.6.0. Or let us take a small, okay, let's see. Let us take a small example. Don't worry. 10.0.0.0 and 10.0.1.0. Two networks. You have to summarize two networks only. Now match the bits. Now write the subnet mask over here of this. How many? Which is the interesting octet? Third one, right? Write the subnet mask over here. 10.0. Sorry. Third octet subnet mask 0.0.0.0.0.0 in this one 0.0.0.0.0.0.1. How many bits are matching in here? All the bits except
last one.
Except the last round. So what will be your subnet mask? It will be 255, 255, 254.
254.
Simple. So if you have more than two, then you can go with the higher order bits, like same concept. So if I say one more network, 10.0.0.0, 10.0.1.0, 10.0.2.0, 10.0.3.0, 10.0.4.0, 10.0.5.0. If I give you this kind of a scenario, you will not be able to summarize all the 6 networks, because there is no proper subnet mask. So what you can do is you can take these 3 first and you can send another summary for these 2. So instead of having 6 routes, you can have 2 summarized routes. Yes. So what will be the summary for this one? It will be 10.0.0.0/22, and here this will be your 10.0.4.0/20. Sorry, the 23. This is 23rd bit in this octet, right? 23rd bit. So this is /23. Let us do this example. If you say no worries, let's go on router 1, or we'll do it on router 2. This we'll do on router 2. Let's go on router 2. Let's use Notepad. Let's say configure terminal interface loopback 1 IP address 10.0.0.1 258.255.255.0. No need of exit. 10.0.1.1, 10.0.2.1, 10.0.3.1, 10.0.4.1. If I say I have 5 networks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you cannot use 5. So better option is take the 4 and send them like this and leave 1 out of it. Let's copy paste this. Wait, what happens is, let's copy and paste it on router 2, and we will also advertise these router EIGRP1 network 10.0.0.0. No worries. And he will send out the automatic summary on router 1. Show IP route. This guy is not receiving, no auto summary. See, this guy is receiving all the routes, right? Oh, it's 10, right? I'll say 20 instead of this. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. What I did was, instead of 10 network, I took 20. Why? Because they both are having already the 10 network. Let's go on router 1 and check the routing table. See again, automatic summarization is enabled. So he says /8. I don't want that. So I go on router 2 and I say router EIGRP 1, no automatic summarization. This will not send a /8, but he will send a single route. But now what I say is, I don't want 0, 1, 2, 3 to be single. I want you to do manual summarization, but I want you to advertise this one also. That is also possible, but in this scenario we cannot combine all these 5. So we can send one summary route. The same summary route we'll send. I'll say exit interface fast Ethernet 0/0 IP summary address for the EIGRP1 is 20.0.0.0 and 255.255.252. Sorry, 252.0. Again, so it is sending a /22 subnet mask. Now, let us see the behavior difference. Better than before. So these 4 routes have been summarized, but this is not summarized. Why? Because this is not coming inside that /22. Okay, so now what we can do here is, if I say I cannot have one summary, one network and one summary, I will add one more network, 4 and 5, and we will create a summary of 2. Let's do that. I'll say interface loopback 716 IP address 20.0. Which network is that? 5.1 exit. Now this will also be advertised as this one, right? I want you to summarize these 2 networks into one. So we did the calculation over here. If I have 2 networks, I will say 10.0 or 20 instead of this 20.0.4.0, but a /23. So I will go on router 2 and I will say interface fast Ethernet 0/0 IP summary address for EIGRP1 is 254 and here it is 4.0. So I am advertising 2 summary routes also. Let's see how does it behave. So it has 2 summary routes. One is for 4 networks 0 to 3 and the other is for 0 to 4 and 5. So we can do this way also. It depends on the scenario. Now if you say I had 8 routes, if you say I have 2 more networks over here, it was 10.0.6.0 and 10.0.7.0, then you can combine all these into one. If you want to combine all this, these all will come under one / notation. If you remember the last standing bit of this one, if I say 20, the network 20.0.0.0 and it is a /28, sorry 29. If I say it is a /29, means the sorry, not 29, I'm wrong over here. It's not /29, it's 20.0.0.0 / this is the 3rd octet, isn't it? So 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, it is /21. Tell me the subnet mask of this, the block size of this, and how many valid IP addresses. So if I say /21 means, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 17th bit, 18th bit, 19, 20, 21st bit, right? So what is this? What is the last standing bits value? It is 8, right? So my networks will start from 0, next network will start from 8, and then 16 and so on and so forth. This change is in the 3rd octet. My interesting octet is 3rd. So I will say 20.0.0.0 till 20.0.7.255, right? So now, if you want to advertise all these, then you can use this summary route also. But as of now, the case scenario says, no, I have 4 and 2. So you can do like that also, depends. If I add 2 more, then I will say just summarize this network with 20.0.0.0, 248.248.0. Because this 248.0 tells that all these matching here, it should be 2 over here, but like this. Getting the point?